Hey, my name is Eugene and I'm founder of VideoDone. We are a team of pro editors who turn your footage and data into great videos worth watching and sharing. And we get a lot of requests from business customers asking us how to create explainer video for their business. In our first video, we would like you to learn 7 stages of animation video production cycle. To get started, you will need a brief. From our experience, 80% of customers don't have it, so don't be afraid. Every decent production company will help you to prepare it. Let's have a look how London-based animation production company Cup Studio explains what is brief. We listen to your objectives and goals to understand the story you wish to convey along with your target audience, deadline and budget requirements. So this stage is about your goals. Knowing them is important to understand look and feel of your future video. Before jumping to design stage, it is important to prepare a script. Frequent problem on that phase is that usually business people want to fit all their messages in the video, but the truth is that if you're looking into creating 90 seconds long video, actually on the page it will look like 1/3 of A4. So think carefully what is really important. Storyboard is a visual representation of your video. They can vary and be low fidelity, meaning that just keyframes, and high fidelity, meaning that it's very detailed. Voiceovers. Most likely that on brief stage you will be asked question about tone of your video. Frequent mistake here is not paying attention to how your brand is pronounced. Believe me, it's super sad to get a quality voiceover with your brand name being mispronounced. So, in case you are not asked this question on brief stage or later on, make sure to be smart enough and provide reference. Just record it with your iPhone and send it to your production team. They will appreciate it, believe me. Once we have storyboard, we can create something magic, what is called Animatic. Think of it as a rough cut. Here is like another one production company from London explains Animatic. An Animatic is a helpful way to pull together everything we've got so far and create a fully timed out rough film. Its purpose is to demonstrate timing, flow, and pace alongside key movements and transitions. 6th stage is actual animation. Why only now? The answer is simple. Better pre-production ensures that your production team will meet budget and deadline. Otherwise, it will result in either greater costs for you as a brand or lower profit margins to your production team. Congrats! Now you're on the feedback stage. In our next series of videos, we'll explain which tools you can use to ensure that most of your feedback requests are implemented. Thank you for watching. My name is Eugene, I'm founder of VideoDone, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our page. And I would love to hear your thoughts on your experience with producing animated video for your business.